Today we're going to talk with Lauren Hill, our research analyst who covers apparel retail. Something that Lauren does each year is she heads out to North Park Center Mall in Dallas, Texas to get a first-hand view of Black Friday. So Lauren, tell us what you observed on Black Friday this year.
2018 was a really exciting year. It was all about brands. So the strongest brands had great traffic into the stores, and the weaker brands really had struggled again this year. There were discounts 30, 40, even 50% in order to drive traffic, so strong brands ruled the day.
Did it seem like more or fewer consumers were shopping in stores?
There were people parking in every single spot, and there were even people parked up on the grassy knolls in order to get into the mall, so traffic was really good. I did think it was still even a little weaker than last year though. It just seemed like a more subdued environment. Because there's less inventory for retail out and about, there's fewer discounts this year, and so there wasn't kind of the frenzy and excitement of activity that we've had the past few years. And consumers are generally visiting fewer stores when they go to the mall. They're spending less time there overall, and they know what they want. They've done their research. They're getting in, buying the things that they're there for, and then leaving. So all of those things are, kind of changing the landscape.
Comparatively, how did online sales perform?
So according to Adobe Analytics, online sales were up 25% year on year on Black Friday and Thanksgiving Day from last year, which is really remarkable. And according to ShopperTrack, mall traffic was actually down 1%, but overall sales were up 5% because the average ticket when people were actually going in store was higher. And so I think that we're going to continue to see that giant secular mix shift towards online sales. And a third of that was done on mobile phones this year, and that percentage grows every single year. And I think that the consumers are going to just continue to do their research and know what they're going to get ahead of time, and the consumers have never been healthier, so I think it's going to be a strong year with retail sales up 4 to 5% year on year.
There's been a lot of focus on the markets in the past few weeks. How do you think shopping activity and consumer confidence will play into market conditions in the coming weeks?
So luxury goods sales are usually really affected by the health of the stock market, and we've had a volatile market in the past few weeks. But I'd actually say this year is going to be an exception to the rule. The consumer at the low end, the middle income, and the high end are just so healthy that I was actually surprised to see as strong of traffic and sales at the luxury end of goods this year. So I actually think that despite the market volatility, things are going to continue to be strong across retail. So the consumer's really healthy. The unemployment rate is at the lowest level since 1969. And consumer confidence is near an 18-year high. And then also the wage growth is accelerated to up 3 to 4% year on year. So across the board, the consumer has never been in a better spot. Thank you for watching this video. Visit westwoodgroup.com for more insights.